right.
Sing
Christmas, yeah.
You know, if you sing Christmas at school now, 20 minutes.
At your school?
Do you know Beating Heart by Ellie Goulding? What? Beating Heart by Ellie Goulding. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Wanna hear your... That's right, at the end of the day, I went like this. Tonight. See you till Christmas and a happy
birthday by Katy Perry.
Oh, silence by Katy Perry.
Come on, let's go! There's birds!
Come on, Will! Better than the moon!
There's something about plastic bag. There's something about plastic bag.
You don't have to feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind wanting to start again.
I always do.
Do you ever feel like a paper bag? Oh, it's a weird song! I say paper bag instead of plastic bag! You see we got my papers crying.
Hello. Okay, you go.
Pass. You want a selfie with me? You know people behind you, they're trying to get the selfies.
I'm gonna go.
Hello.
I don't know where.
My bag's open as well, so that's not good. Take a selfie, I saw people behind us getting
Will you keep an eye on that?
Everyone take a selfie with fireworks behind us. Ow! It's so bright, it hurts. What, you telling me you want my mum to see Aiden's nostril? I wanted to find him, but it don't work. What time is it? Is it 8:30? 8. Oh yeah!
God bless America now.
I'm singing firework in my head, but okay.
Baby, you're a firework. I don't know the rest of it. Make him go ah ah ah. Why have I got my camera there?
Hey guys.
Eskimo. Oh no. Hey guys, it's Nicole.
What's that?
Hello.
Aww.
Hello.
Bless you.
Oh, no.
Hello. You ready for the big boom? It's gonna shock everyone. Or is that a dog? Or is it a child? You thought?
Is that dog or
I guess
child?
it's a bitch.
Oh.
It's a bitch.
No.
It had 4 legs, I swear.
Who has 4 legs?
That child.
Wait, a child has 4 legs?
Yeah, this one there, look.
What child